This is 3G, and we're doing his nebulizer. He's been doing it for 20 minutes. So we open him up. Come big up. I have to do it in the kitchen. So anyway, come big up. There we go. You can make it. You can make it. You can make it. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. There we go. There we go. So, as you can see, hang on. As you can see here, this is where the hole is. Come here. Okay, well, he's a bit active now. I can see. There we go. So he's not really playing ball right now, but we're going to have to give him his meds. There it is, right there. So it's a lot better. He had his checkup today, and there were 2 lots of bacteria in there, and so now we kind of know what meds to fight with. So that's all sorted for now, and then we're still waiting for the 3rd culture to come back to see if there's any what do you call it? So we got to see, yeah, the 3rd one is waiting for to come back to see if it's actually if there's a virus or it's just the 2 lots of bacteria that we're sorting. But yeah, otherwise he's on the mend. So now we're going to give him 1 shot of Baytril and another one. Come on, come aside, come big boy. You're good at this. You don't. Come on.
Okay, F10 wound gel.
F10 wound gel. That's why his feathers like this, because it's quite greasy.
Greasy. Greasy, as my dad would say.
Here you go, boy. Come.
Oh, baby. There we go. There we go.
No, it's going to go in. And it's going to go down. So it'll melt a bit and then
Yeah, I don't
go
know.
down.
The heat.
Look at me.
Go! Do you want a nut? You want a nut? Hey? Hey, baby. Oh, Bobo. Oh, Bobo, he's being bossy. He's being bossy. Let's go and get you a nut. Hey? 3G? He's such a good boy.
Last little bit. Then we'll give you your jab. And then we'll pack your wounds. Here we go. Come. Come. No. There we go. Good boy.
You can give him his jab now, and I must watch.
I'm going to do that one time.
Okay. Let me help you.
Okay, so no, you can't move around for this.
Do you have to pay Dr. Tatham for his lessons? Okay. I'm going to find where there's some skin on him. It's very...
Okay, Cuddles. Yeah, I can't even get too deep. Okay, hold your feet. Sorry.
Such a good boy.
Good boy.
Such a good boy.
Let's put you back. Here.
There we go.
Come. Let me just sort the other wounds out. Right, there we go. Good boy.
Good boy. See your anus. Should we see if we can get you a little treat?
I think actually what the cheek is red is from the medicine earlier. Actually,
It might be from the pink, because it does look a little pinkish. Looks like you put your rouge on back to front. Hey? Hey, 3G?
Right, so we're going to do this.
Alright. Alright, he's going to have lots of medicines now, and then he's going back on Tuesday. And
So, hold on 1 second. Where's my towel? Oh, this is the little blankie from here. Come, big guy. Come, big guy. Here we go. Here we go, come.
he picked up any weight?
No, he's still 350. Okay, come, let's do this. Come on. Oops. No, 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 no.
Take one for the
Okay,
team.
there we go, there we go. Okay, no, no, but we've been doing this all week. There we go. Good boy. Good boy.
Good boy. Such a good boy.
Okay, come. Okay.
Good boy.
There we go. Wait, let's go a little bit more. Come. Last little bit, last little bit, last little bit. Then we'll give you your jab. And then we'll pack your wounds. Here we go. Come, come, come. Come. No. 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 There we go. Good boy.
You can only give him his jab now, and I must watch.
I'm going to do that one time.
Okay. Let me help you.
Okay, so no, you can't move around for this.
Do you have to pay Dr. Tatham for his lessons? Okay. I'm going to find where there's some skin on him. It's very...